Hi everyone, Nikki here from Fine & Country, and I'm excited to be bringing you the final market update for the year. Wow, what a year 2022 has been. A year full of royal, political and economic changes. The autumn statement calmed the instability in the financial markets. The Chancellor pledged to face the economic challenges by announcing spending cuts and tax rises in a bid to tackle inflation and mortgage costs. Over the next year, the predictions are that the economy is likely to shrink by 1.4%, but by the end of 2027 it is expected to grow by a cumulative 9%. The good news is forecasts for the housing market are less dramatic than in the early 1990s or the global financial crisis. It is set to recalibrate after the heady days of the last 2 years. So moving on, mortgages, swap rates have returned to lower levels than in the immediate aftermath of the growth plan, and we are going to see 5 to 6% rates become more of the norm. The Bank of England reported a sharp drop in mortgage applications in October, but the suggestions are it was more of a knee-jerk reaction to the growth plan. And now that we are seeing more stability and there are more product options like 2-3 year fixed variable and the possibility to extend mortgage terms, it should hopefully not be a longer term trend. According to 𝙿𝙭𝙚𝙚𝙧𝙮 and HMRC, sales in 2022 are expected to be the strongest in 5 years, with the exception of 2021. The market is not going to be grinding to a halt because nearly 1 in 3 property purchases are needs-based due to people's personal circumstances. However, pricing for these market conditions is going to be crucial to make sure that you achieve a sale, as the market is now swinging back to being in favour of buyers and not sellers. The Chancellor has confirmed that the benefit of the current stamp duty reductions will actually remain until the 31st of March 2025. As for the market that we work in at Fine & Country, this is the most cushioned from the wider economic climate due to the higher levels of cash purchases and the influence of overseas buyers. So this really should provide some much needed confidence moving into 2023. So that's all from me, and I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and best wishes for the new year. If you think 2023 might be your year for a change, please do get in touch and we'd be delighted to give you any advice or come out and see you. Thank you very much for watching.